Well, with several Asian governments placing curbs on their property markets for fear of a bubble, investors have turned to a market halfway across the world. London's real estate sector has not only seen a jump in foreign investment in the last few years, the interest is also coming from a cross-section of nationalities. Well, what is the appeal? To tell us more, Tom Eshelby is residential director for the London portfolio of UK commercial property company Land Securities, and he joins us now around the desk to tell us more. So you're here. Welcome to the show, Tom. It's good to have you here with us because you're usually based in London. You're in Singapore introducing the Kingsgate Victoria development, and that's selling for about £10 million per unit.
10 million
up to £10 million.
Yeah,
what's demand been like? Tell us.
Kingsgate is part of Land Securities' overall Victoria master plan, which is an amazing opportunity to redevelop about 3 million square feet in total, right in the heart of central London, close to Belgravia and Mayfair. Kingsgate House is 100 apartments, studios, one-bedders, really good, attractive property for investors and owner-occupiers alike. A mix from around the world. We expect a really strong audience in Southeast Asia, hence I've been over in Hong Kong, now here in Singapore.
So what kind of yields or returns, Tom, are investors and buyers looking at?
Well, look, as capital values have risen over the last couple of years in central London, so yields have tightened a little, but I think as a starting point, somewhere between 4–4.5% might be a decent estimate.
The prices just don't seem to drop in central London, at least. But let me ask you something. Stamp duty, 7% now in the UK, 15% if you're a corporation buying.
That's
Has
right.
that been a deterrent? Is that affecting your business?
Yes, to be clear, that's 7% stamp duty on those properties that are above £2 million. And certainly that has had a dampening effect. However, it must be said that overall, over the period since that was introduced, the market does seem to have soaked it up. And we are still seeing activity on properties of £2 million and over.
When I think about the London property market, I always think about Roman Abramovich and Lakshmi Mittal, foreign buyers,
yes,
ostensibly from emerging markets. What about from Europe because of the debt crisis? There's a lot of money rotating back into the UK.
Yes, interestingly, we saw quite a visible uptick in the number of buyers from countries such as Italy, Spain, obviously Greece. I think London's come to be seen as a bit of a safe haven, and real estate and high-end residential real estate in particular has become a bit of a flight to quality for the wealthy internationals.
The Chinese have been driving up property prices in Hong Kong, in Singapore.
Yes.
Are you feeling their presence in London as well?
Yes, we are. I mean, we've always felt the presence of Southeast Asian investors generally, and I expect that over the coming decade the Chinese market will have more and more of an impact.
Why Southeast Asia more than China?
I think that the cultural ties with London, and I'm thinking in terms of university education, business links, economic links, and also the quite transparent nature of London as an investment has always been really attractive to Southeast Asians.
Interesting. Thank you so much, Tom, for joining us and being on our program. That was Tom Eshelby from Land Securities joining us there. We're going to